Hey everybody, today we're going to be making a chickpea crispy snack. Healthy and delicious. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to open up our can of chickpeas and rinse them out. Then dry them in a cloth. Add the seasonings. Put your oven at 360 degrees for 50 minutes or until crispy. They need another 10 more minutes. It's already been 40. Give them a little shake so that they don't stick. And you can store these for up to a week. Thanks for watching.